Campus is basically a small city. We are 10 square miles. We have over 600 buildings. We have about 50,000 faculty, staff, and students on campus. The research is endless. You have several Nobel Prize winners. We have all kinds of inventions.
Keeping the researchers safe in their environment is one of the most pivotal goals of our maintenance group.
We have a lot of different operations where air quality can be impacted.
There's a direct connection between human health and air quality. The traditional centralized air monitoring solution, it was proprietary. So everything had to go through a single entity, which I think caused a lot of frustration for end users.
With the Antrum centralized system, we could sense 16 different rooms. That drew my attention because it's less interruptions and it's absolutely more efficient for our mechanics to enter one space rather than entering all 16 plus spaces to do the same thing. We look at all new technologies that can reduce moving parts because any moving part is going to break eventually.
Part of the strategy at Antrum was to develop it with the end user in mind. We only have a single moving part in the whole system. So we've drastically simplified, right, a more, I would say, complex problem.
One of our goals is to do any and all serviceability of equipment and sensors that we can in-house.
The traditional centralized sensing system would have you mandate you have to use a contractor. The execution was too maintenance heavy, too time consuming, too labor intensive.
The sensor pack replacement is a matter of a 2-minute job, allowing a sensor pack to be removed and sent away for calibration without any downtime.
There's no tools, it takes a matter of minutes, it takes you longer to walk to the panel than it would to actually do the work. It's all focused on minimizing maintenance expense and the ongoing expense of the system. So essentially the money that they save in energy, end users can use it for the next energy project and not supporting the last one. Antrum is different from the traditional centralized sensing solution. We're not trying to dictate the appropriate air change rate for your facility or your lab. We're providing data that's allowing you to make that decision.
We love data here, and I can open it live on my phone or laptop. It allows me to relax more whenever I'm away from the office, knowing that I can look at it in a quick minute and know that there's not an actual issue.
Your facility is different from the next facility and the next facility, so we allow end users essentially the control and flexibility to tailor our product to their application.
Well, our goal is to always reduce energy as well as increase comfort, increase safety. And if we can do all three of those simultaneously, then that gives us a better payback. We are trying to be on the cutting edge and be a leader of all the universities.
The work that happens at the university is world-changing, so it's really important that we do provide that safe and healthy environment so they can go about changing the world and making it better for the next generation.